Hi, my friends. Welcome to Maverick Channel. Today, we have the Skydio 2, and we will be talking mostly about the remote control. As you can see here, it has a tight fit. What I mean by that is a little bit small, but it seems to be handling okay, even though the joysticks are a little bit short for what I'm used to. But it is comfortable to hold, and yeah, so if we lift the mobile accessory holder, mostly your phone, and you see that the light turns on, that is because when you lift it up, it automatically turns the remote control on. And it is very tight, durable. As you can see, the pull is not that easy, which means it has a firm grip. And yeah, so far it is comfortable, but I think it is a little bit small. But we will see when we do the test flight. Underneath there isn't really nothing, just a little gap where you can grip real firm. And yep, and of course you have these two pedals, and this one on the right side, as you can see, there is for the gimbal, and this one is to move the drone forward or backward. And also we have this button right here, and this other one, which we will delve on a little bit later. All right here is where you charge your um, controller, and also that port is used to link the remote control to the drone using the cable. And also you can link your drone to your controller if you are connected to a mobile device, and you can do it via Wi-Fi. And of course right now we are going to use the cable to do that. So firstly, make sure you take the red support underneath the camera, as you just saw me do, and of course turn the drone on, press for 3 seconds or more, and wait for the blue lights to be steady. And then you can connect the remote control to the drone, as you will see me do in just a split second here. All right, blue lights are steady, as you can see. So all we do is we insert the cable right there, and of course you see the light on the remote control is beeping. You have to wait for the green light to be steady. Actually, it has to be a blue light, and once it is steady, you are good to go. And let's get to flying right now. Let's test this remote control. And of course, one great thing to note is that your drone will not fly, or you cannot use your remote control without actually hooking it up to your mobile device, either your phone or a tablet or whatever other mobile device you're using. So you have to have the app on your mobile device, and of course your mobile device is also supposed to be linked to the remote control, as you can see here. So it says we are ready to fly. And of course, what a perfect day. As you can see, it is very windy. You can see the waves out there. So we have a a very windy day, and let's test it. It's a good thing. We're gonna do a stability test as well. Okay, after you push the blue ready to fly icon on your app, you see that it says starting the Skydio motor. And of course now you can actually go airborne by pushing the take off button. And let me do that here, and push and hold. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh yes. It is airborne, man. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Look Look at that baby right there. Okay, okay, I see. Yes, that is good. And the remote control seems to be working. You see me bringing it down a little bit right now. On a very windy day, as you see, it is pretty stable. Oh my God, you see the image right there, very, very clear. Yeah, that's, oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, I am so happy. This is the first flight, the maiden flight, using the remote control. So the only other times I've flown the drone, it has been with the beacon, which was very, very interesting and fun, especially when doing the follow me function. So right now I am super, 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 super happy. Look at that baby right there. Very windy day, very windy. See how stable it is, man. Okay, let's test out the whitish or grayish pedals at the top of the remote control. Let's see what they do. The one on the right side of your remote control will move your drone forward and also backward, as you can see here. And if you push the joystick forward and then you push the pedal towards the positive or push it downward, it will make the drone go faster. And to your left, that just controls the gimbal. It moves it down or up, and it is very, very comfortable and easy to maneuver, much better because you can take it as slow as you want or fast as you want. So I think it is a better option, the way it is designed, as opposed to the little wheels that you roll to the left or to the right. So I prefer this one. So as you can see, what a lovely evening. Woo! All right, guys, I am super, super happy about this drone so far. It has been a wonderful drone. I can't wait to fly and test all the other functions. So guys, please comment below, subscribe, and leave your comments. Leave your comments. I am so grateful. I'm happy every time I see your comments, and I'll try as much as possible to respond to each and every one of them. So guys, let us enjoy this beautiful evening, and I'll catch you all on the next video.